Hey, welcome back to my bar. Today we are going to make a great summertime sitting on your back patio and sipping a cocktail kind of drink. This one is aptly named On the Lawn. So we are making a keto low carb version and I'm going to show you the ingredients. So the first thing that we're going to need is we're going to use a tall glass filled with ice, and again I like to fill my glasses about an inch down from the top with ice. This is actually a gin drink, so we are using Bombay Sapphire Gin, and I already have portioned out 1.5 ounces of the gin. Okay, and now here's where it gets to the low-carb keto alternatives. So we are going to be using ginger ale, but we're using Zevia ginger ale. I've done reviews on this in the past and other bar videos on Zevia ginger ale. It is a 0-calorie ginger ale that is flavored with stevia, so that's going to make it compliant with keto. Now, also what we're going to be using is lemonade, but we are using Crystal Light lemonade, and I made a picture of this earlier. This is just a little packet, and I've also portioned out 2 ounces. We're also using 2 ounces of the Zevia. The garnish is going to be a cucumber wheel. All right, so on to the construction. In the glass, we are going to first dump in the gin. Right on top goes the ginger ale. And lastly, the Crystal Light. We are going to want to give it a quick stir. Garnish with the cucumber wheel, and there you go. That's On the Lawn, the keto version. Cheers.